Using the Cash App without providing a social security number is possible, although it will impose certain limitations on your account. The Cash App primarily uses social security numbers to verify identities and provide full access to its features. However, if you still want to use the app without verifying your identity, you can do so by first downloading and setting up the app from your device's App Store. Sign up using your email address or phone number. Then add a payment method, such as a debit card or bank account, which is optional but necessary if you want to send or receive money. With this setup, you can send and receive money without identity verification. But be aware that there are limitations, including a $250 send limit in a 7-day period and a $1,000 receive limit in a 30-day period. The app may occasionally prompt you to provide your social security number for identification, but you can close this prompt and continue using the app without providing this information. By following these steps, you can use the Cash App without verifying your identity, and it will still function, albeit with some restrictions.